to take the rest of the bits off the frame so that we can send the frame for shock blasting. So I'm going to take the rear wheel out, which should be fairly simple. We'll see. Because it was a bit loose from the last time we dealt with it.
It's when we did the chain.
Yeah. Yay!
Getting as bad as me. Oh! Right.
Right, so the drift and the hammer. And it's moving. Are we there yet?
It'll probably just pull out.
Are we there yet? Yep.
There we are. So that's out. So that wheel can come out now.
Right. Yeah. Wheel out. Well, this bit that fell off is just that bit that goes on there. Ooh, like that. Who knew?
And that's to stop the wheel rotating in the frame. Well, it wants to rotate.
Well,
it's to stop the hub rotating in the frame.
yeah.
So the brake's in the right position.
Right.
Okay.
Got it. Right.
That'll just pull out.
Oh, that just come out. Ah, yeah.
And careful that little spacer.
Yeah.
It's alright, I've got the wheel.
Right.
That's
That.
it.
That.
Okay.
Right, I'm going to take the shock absorbers off now. Alright then, maybe not the ratchet. And then the same under here. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's just broken it then.
And that's why they call it a breaker bar.
Yay! Okay, so now with a bit of luck.
You might be able to do it with your fingers by now. That's tightening it.
Yeah.
Need to click the thing over.
Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, that should be all right now. Oh. Even better. Got it. So. That's one out. Oh, got it. Spit it out. There we go. And that. 2 washers. There's another one there. Is there? No?
No, it's on the inside.
Yeah. This is already loose from when we took the mud guard off, so don't need no breaker bar for this. Good buddy. Okay, and a push. Up. Yay! There we have it.
Now, while I'm here, I'll just have a quick look at these swing arm bushes. They actually look pretty good. There's no scoring or scratches on the inside, so I think we'll get away with not replacing them. Yeah, yeah. So that's your swing arm. Off.
Swing!
Swing! You're silly.
I've tried. I'm not strong enough to this spring. So sometimes you have to use what's available to you.
Brute force.
My trusty assistant.
Brute force. This is supposed to be a spring puller, but it's just bending. I'm not even going to try it with that. I don't think so anyway. I might just have to revert. No way is that going to do that. So go back to the trusted method of a screwdriver and pliers.
Go.
We eventually got this spring off just by, it was on there, got this side of it, and I just tilted it over and it just popped off. So hopefully that's how to get it back on again, because this just isn't strong enough to pull it back into. Oh, it might be to put it back on again. Yeah, it probably will.
Just don't do it now.
No. Butchery 101 to get this spring out. Split pin, it's in proper. As we say in Yorkshire, this is probably going to just break. This little piggy doesn't want to come out.
There we go.
Now it's just snapped into 1,000 pieces.
Oh, great. I think you exaggerated a bit.
Well, 3 pieces. That's it, out.
So I'm taking the steering lock off now, but they're already quite loose.
That looks pretty new, that, doesn't it? I wonder if it's been replaced. We haven't got a key for it yet, though.
I'm going to have to wing this because, well, Graham's never taken one apart before, so therefore I've never taken one apart.
At least we've got 2 to go at, so if one fails we know how to get at the other one. Okay.
Interesting, so that needs as well.
Now that looks like, well, this has to come out, and that appears, oh right, there we go, look, it's up there, that suspension unit, that's where it undoes from, so we need to get in there and undo that.
Oh! Yeah.
Spidery.
Oh. Yeah.
Some of these little greasing points.
This one looks really rusty compared to the other one. Extremely rusty, so I'm putting on some fast release penetrant. And let's hope it works. Well, I've left this for half an hour now to do its work. Let's see if it works. Oh, yeah, starting to move. Yep.
It's weird that one bolt should be that tired and rusty. Okay.
Yep. Come
Now this top race has to come off. This one I think, Tina, that one will tighten the forks in position. The lower one will tighten the bearings to the correct level. Now these are supposed to have like a C spanner, which will be a workshop tool, and clearly this has been off before, if you can see that, because this is how it's damaged there, and that's because someone's done what we're going to do. We're going to use a drift just to turn this. Okay. There's the other half of the spreader from the inside the fork. Remember we took the things off, and there should have been two. There's the other half. That's good. I was looking for that. That's fallen out. Oh, that's turned.
Is it?
Oh, good grief.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. One will release the forks, I'm hoping, and the other will be the bearing. Just see if those forks fall out.
If the
forks come out.
Oh.
See if they're loose now. Yeah. Now we've got to be careful here, because there's going to be a load of ball bearings somewhere.
Oh, is this where I run around the drive?
It could
picking
be.
up your balls.
Yeah, don't be like that.
How small are they going to be?
They're very small. You can see them there now. They're being exposed.
Are
I'm
they?
exposing
Your
them.
hand's in the way. Oh boy, yes, I can see them.
Yep.
Can we count them now?
Ha! Oh no, I thought for a moment there was one missing.
Yeah.
But there isn't. Right, so with a bit of luck that fork should just, there we go. Ah, careful, 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 careful. We need to put these in a little bag.
Oh, all right, yeah.
Okay.
Right.
And these are only held in position by grease. Right, I would count these, so at least if we lose one we know how many there are to put back in again.
Take them out then?
Yeah, just take them out.
2, 3, 19, 20, 21.
So this bottom race should just, oh there you go.
Oh, right, okay.
So there's all your ball bearings in there. There might be a few still stuck to the, yeah, there's one there, look. Sneaky.
Oh, blimey. Oh.
Did we count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 26.
Okay.
In the smaller bag.
So thank you for watching this video. This is the end of part 5, and here we have all the components ready to go for shot blasting, and these will be going to Midas Touch today. So we've got the number plate, holder, swing arm, the forks, the backrest, the stand, the tank, and also this frame. And when we get back we'll be in the process of spraying them the right colours. So for now, thank you very much for watching, and please do like and subscribe, as it changes the algorithm and we get a few more views if you do that. Really appreciate it, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.